welcome you on the platform of the new journey where we are going to start this journey for the crack or new exam, that is the TSNET exam year. Okay, so for the super results, we always need the superpower. And yes, today is a new day, and it's a new day, not only a common day. Actually, actually every new day comes with a new beginning, a new challenge, new opportunities, and yeah, we have to accept these opportunities and we have to embrace that opportunities. Okay, so let's start to our session, come to our point where we are going to see our exam. We in today's lecture, what will be the objective of today's lecture? We are going to see overall brief idea about the TSNET exam, just like how what is the eligibility, from the eligibility to the analysis of the exam, then how to crack this exam, how will we manage our time in this exam. All of your questions will get solved in this session. So are you excited for this? Good. So let's start. So what will be the eligibility criteria for this exam? When if you are wishing to apply for this exam, then you must have completed your graduation from any of the stream, guys. There is no any criteria from this stream. Only if you are graduated, then you can apply for this exam. But yeah, who are in the final year, don't get upset, guys. You also can apply for this exam if you are in a final year. Okay, so this is only educational criteria, not other than any criteria is there to apply for this exam. And yes, one good news is that there is no any age limit for this exam. You can apply at any of the age, only you should have completed your graduation. Okay, so in the next we will see what will be the exam, how this exam will be conducted, what is the exam, actual TSNET exam, that is the Tata Institute Social Science National Entrance Test. This exam mode, how this exam mode, what will be the number of questions, how will we manage, all we are going to see in this. Okay, so if you see the exam mode, this will be your computer based online test guide. Yeah, okay, so you have to go there and there will be computer and you will give the exam online itself. Okay, and of course type of the questions, if it is online, so you don't have to type anything. There is only the type of multiple choice questions. That means there will be one question and there will be 4 options for that question. So you have to select the correct option and go to the next question. That's easy only. Okay, so what will be the total number of questions for this? There are total 100 number of questions in this exam and total marks is also 100, and for those 100 questions they have provided 100 minutes. That means 1 hour 40 minutes will get provided for to solve the 100 questions. Okay, so in the next, if you see, one most important good news is here. Yeah, whenever you will apply, when will you give the mock test, when will you solve, then only you will understand the importance of this news. Is this good news is that there is no negative marking, guys. This is the most best opportunity actually, so that you can apply, you can solve all the paper, you don't have to skip any questions. And when you solve all the paper, then of course your marks also gets increases, because as there is no any negative marking. Okay, so you have to take note on this, there is a no negative marking, most important point, guys. Okay, so what will be the medium of the exam? So simply that will be in English medium itself. Questions, answers, all things will be in the English. Okay, after that, sorry, right, yeah. So most important, last but not least, actually not least, it's the most important thing. We have seen how to study, what will be the exam pattern, but the most important, what to study, what is there, what is your syllabus, that is the most important point. And yes, there are 3 sections for this exam, and those are, first will be English, next one will be maths and ELA section, and last third one is the GK section. Where math section, there is subtopics like math, data interpretation and logical reasoning. So these topics you have to study to crack this exam, to apply for this exam. And yes, definitely we will crack this exam. I am always with you for that. Okay, so we have seen the exam, how does this exam, but we will see now how these sections are distributed, how this divided in these parts, in these sections actually. Okay, so as we had seen, there are 100 questions. So what will be there? There will be GK sections, math session and English session. So in the GK sections, there will be 40 questions from the GK section, guys. And due for this 40 questions, there are 40 marks. एंड यस, सब कुछ इजी होगा तो नहीं चलेगा, कुछ तो थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्टी चाहिए ना, इसीलिए उन्होंने यहाँ पे दे हैव गिवन द सेक्शनल कट ऑफ फॉर द जीके सेक्शन. If you are from the general or EBC category, then EWS category, then there will be 14 marks of cutoff for the general knowledge for only general and EWS category. And if you are from the OBC or PWD, then this sectional cutoff goes to 12 marks. And for other caste, SC, NT, like there is no any sectional cutoff for those. Okay, this is of the GKs only. After we goes to the maths, which includes maths, logical reasoning, and DI, that is data interpretation. In this section, there will be 30 questions, guys, and in those 30 questions, there are 30 marks. Again, one good news, there is no sectional cutoff for the maths. Yes, of course, हम maths से डरते हैं तो थोड़ा लगता है. So this is good news for you actually. There is no any cutoff. Okay. Similar pattern for the English also. There will be 30 questions for 30 marks and no sectional cutoff for the 30 marks. So there will be 100 questions, 100 marks, and one more important benefit is that there is no sectional time for this. The overall you have 100 minutes and you have to solve whole paper in the 100 minutes. Okay, so now we will think what happens whether if it has sectional time session or not, but when will you apply, when will you give the exam, when will you give mock test, then only you will understand that yes, it's most beneficial that there is no sectional time session. Okay, so guys, if you are thinking like there are 100 questions and 100 minutes, so I will solve one question in a 1 minute. So if you are thinking in this way, then you are totally wrong. Yeah, what I said, you are totally wrong, guys, because yeah, second, sorry. Yeah, I said you're totally wrong because what happens whenever we apply for the competitive exams, then time management is the most important thing in the exam. If you suppose आपने पूरा study कर लिया, you are completely ready for all syllabus. If I gave you any questions, you are able to solve any type of questions. But the problem is you cannot solve those 100 questions within 100 minutes. You take 2 hours to solve this. Then it's completely useless, guys. It won't work because you have to solve those 100 questions within 100 minutes. So we have to learn the time management here. So how will we manage our time here? What will we do? The general section and our English section. There are total 70 questions, 40 from the GK, 30 from the English. So we have to solve these 70 questions within 40 minutes. Yeah, take a note on this, guys. You have to solve these 70 questions within 40 minutes. अब आप लोग सोच रहे हो कि मैम आप कुछ भी इम्पॉसिबल बातें कर रहे हैं, हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल टू सॉल्व 70 क्वेश्चंस विद इन 40 मिनट्स. बट गाइज, इट्स नॉट इम्पॉसिबल, इट्स अ पॉसिबल. एंड यही एक वे है जिससे हम टाइम मैनेजमेंट कर सकते हैं. एंड वेन एवर यू विल स्टार्ट स्टडी, यू विल स्टार्ट गिविंग मॉक टेस्ट, you will be perfect in GK and English session, then you will be able to solve these 70 questions within 35 minutes itself. Even I am giving you 40 minutes, that 5 minutes I am giving you from my side actually. I am giving you 5 minutes extra. So you will be able easily, it is easily possible to solve those 70 questions within 40 minutes, so that you will get 60 minutes to solve the session of maths where there are 30 questions. So if you take 2 minutes for one question, then it's really okay and you can easily solve all the paper. You don't need to skip any questions. You can easily solve all 100 questions within a time. Okay, and yes, one more point is also here important. In the exam, there is one option for you, that is a mark for review. what happens sometimes, कभी कभी ऐसा हो जाता है ना, एक क्वेश्चन पे आई एम नॉट कंफर्म, सो शुड आई मार्क दिस क्वेश्चन और नॉट, या ये होता है, तो आपको वहां पे क्या करना है, यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट दैट आंसर विच एवर यू आर थिंकिंग इट माइट बी दैट आंसर, एंड यू हैव टू मार्क फॉर द रिव्यू. इससे होगा क्या, वेन एवर यू विल कंप्लीट योर पेपर, देन यू कैन डायरेक्टली जम्प ऑन दैट क्वेश्चन इटसेल्फ. सो आपको अगर अपने मार्क फॉर रिव्यू किया है तो आपको वो ढूंढना नहीं पड़ेगा, आप इजीली वहां पे चले जाओगे, एंड इट विल हेल्प यू बिकॉज वी डोंट हैव टू स्किप एनी क्वेश्चंस इन दिस एग्जाम. To all of you, I'm just telling you, you have to attend all the paper, guys. You have to attempt all the 100 questions. Okay, so are you getting this my point? Okay, come on, you can message in the chat session so that I will get to know whether you are understanding or not. Okay, that's good. So let's move forward. Okay, good. So we have seen what is the exam pattern, eligibility, all things we have already seen. So what will we see in the next session? Actually, we will see the how this weightage and level of difficulty here. Okay, so we have already seen that there is a session of 40% for the GK, 30% for the maths, and 30% for your English. So if you observe, guys, then within these three topics, GK is quite hard as compared to maths and English. And before 2019, actually maths was also easy. But from, if you observe the question papers from the 2019, then this level of maths is, they have increased this level and they are going to medium level. And it might be hard in this year also. So we have to be prepared. So I am ready to teach you. Are you ready to learn with me? Really, your comments are making me more excited, and I'm excited for next lecture now. So in the next lecture, in this lecture we have see how to crack, how to study. In the next lecture, we will see what to study. We will see all the syllabus in details, how this analysis of all the subjects. We have seen here only the subject-wise analysis. But in the next lecture, we will see the topic-wise analysis, and I am so excited for the next lecture. So, are you excited for the next lecture? Come on, comment sessions. Don't stop the comment sessions. That's good. Okay, very good. I'm really happy. I'm so happy to see you. So that's all for today's, guys. Thank you so much for giving your time and putting your efforts on your preparation. I'm always there for you. Please take care and stay safe.